Hello and welcome. We are now inside of Microsoft 365, and there are AI tools available to you that you can use in order to create content and use in your business. For example, if we go to Microsoft Clipchamp and we open up Clipchamp, depending on when you see this video, you'll typically see an element here that says create a video with AI. You'll also see an element here called text to speech. Now, in the upper right-hand corner, you're going to see an element that says Upgrade. If you click that element, what you're going to notice is that Clipchamp is a premium subscription on top of whatever subscription you already have. So in other words, if you currently have a Microsoft 365 subscription, you do have access to the free plan. You don't have access to the premium plan. You may want to click this link to see what's available in the free plan for Microsoft Clipchamp. And as of the recording of this video, you'll see the pricing. The pricing may change by the time you see this video. However, the elements between free and premium are going to remain the same. So you're going to also see pages in Microsoft Clipchamp. In particular, you're going to see that one of the featured elements is AI video editing, and that AI video editing has several elements. And technically, some of these elements are not necessarily AI video editing, but just uses of AI here in this area. So we will begin to examine some of these features in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video. Used by Clipchamp for video editing is actually auto compose. And you're going to see it here in this button here on the front page. And we're going to click on Auto Compose. And you're going to see a dialog box. And in order to start the auto composition, you're going to give your video a title. And Microsoft Clipchamp will allow you to drag and drop or upload any media here so that the AI can use it to compose the actual video. Once you've added your media, you can then click Get Started. Now what's going to happen is that Clipchamp will then give you the opportunity to choose what the style will be. And so you can choose the style. And then you'll be asked whether you want your video to be landscaped or full length. You can choose it. Once you do that, you can then click Next. Clipchamp will give you the opportunity to add in music. You can select the music that you want. Once you've selected the music, you can either export the video or you can edit it in the timeline. Now, for the sake of this video, we're going to click Export. Once the video completes its rendering, you can then download it to your hard drive. And your first pass at a video will have been created using Auto Compose. Now, what you can do is edit that video going to this area, and we will look at that in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video. Welcome back. We are now in the editing section of Microsoft Clipchamp. There are several elements we can use the AI in order to add to our video. For example, if we go to the Record and Create area, you're going to see that we can add in text to speech. What we can do is we can then listen to a voice that we want to read our text.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a story worth sharing.
And then we can write in our text so that it will play during our video. You can then play the video with your text to speech.
Creating video tutorials is a great way to meet friends and generate income. Create positive moments for people that want to hear it.
So as you can see, we can play our video and we can add in text to speech to the video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.